The best way to tolerate a weekend when it's over and it's Monday, grab your cluckers and go chase a bird. It is Monday morning, and that's exactly what we're gonna do. Saddle up and see if we can go put a hellhound through a longbeard. Something I haven't done in 35 years. So basically ever, because when I did, it was a long time ago, and it was not my target game. It was legal, for the record, but I got lucky as a teenager. So let's go. We're gonna go sit in the blind. We're gonna set up some decoys. We're gonna do a little clucking and chucking, and maybe Uncle Jay will get lucky. I like to get lucky. You know what I'm saying. After I did my little morning chat, and then I get to the blind, can't find the second one. I'm thinking, well, good thing at least I have two, but I don't have to because I can't find it. So anyway, back to the truck. Look at that beautiful sunset. Still trying to, it's early season, still trying to get our act together. So far, it's been pretty quiet anyway. No clucks and no chucks. Not yet. Oh yeah. And the feathers for my Jake decoy sitting on top of the cabinet at the house. Yeah, we're off to a good start, so Susie's gonna have to go to work by herself. It is what it is. Gotta roll with the punches. Get my act together. here minding my own business, playing on my phone. Every 15 minutes or so, I'd give him a little cap. And a hen came in behind me over my left shoulder. After she went up the hill, I called again. And he gobbled. And he's literally 50 yards behind me. And he came. He cut through. I've got a lone hen decoy that he wasn't interested in. Dang it, had I had the Jake decoy out, which I forgot the tail feathers, we might have had a chance. But we'll get him. Well, off to plan B. Go scout another property. We had a close call. Joker snuck up behind me. Got within 50, but I'm sitting in the blind with my bow and the camera. I had a hen decoy out, but my Jake decoy, I forgot the daggum tail feathers, so I didn't put them out. I think that's the that'll be the magic trick. We'll give them another shot tomorrow morning, but we got to pull them in front of the blind, especially with this camera action. I can only shoot out one window so that y'all can see what's going on here. But we got footage of him. We got proof he's alive. He was quiet this morning until he lit me up and I damn near shat my pants. So off to the other property, see if anything's working, and we'll call it a day and get to work.